Hello, John, and welcome back. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the subscript tag. So if I say subscripts, I definitely know you don't know much about what are subscript tags and how to use them. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you in practically how you are going to be using them, especially when you are writing mathematics expressions. So to do that, let's get started. The first thing we are going to do here is to open a new folder. We are going to open a new folder. Then inside the new folder, let me just quickly set subtract, and then I definitely want to open up this inside my code editor. So let's quickly wait for it to round up. I want to create my index.html file. I want to create index.html and close this. I definitely want to bring out the normal HTML template, which I can just change up my title to be equals to subscript tag. And then here I just want to have my heading one, which is hello. Well, with that done, I want to open up this inside my browser, copy part, and then I go to my browser and I paste what I copied, and I can see my hello. Yeah. The next thing to do is to under here now. Let's say I want to write a let me say log 10. When I want to like log 10, and then if I do like this log 10, definitely know that it's not going to appear the way I want it. You see my log 10 appear just like this, where I want this 10 to be just a subscript, the way you write it in mathematics. So to do that, you definitely want to add a sub tag, which we call subscript tag. And then inside the sub tag, I can nest my 10 inside it, and I save. Now it's going to look a little bit like log 10. See now my 10 becomes small, and then the log is bigger. So that's definitely how to do log 10. Let me increase the screen size so you are going to see what I mean. So this is my 10, and then this is the log. But I nested the 10 inside a subscript tag. That's why it appears small and at the bottom of it. So if you really like this tutorial, kindly follow this YouTube channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.